Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the app usable. Install Google Camera or Google Lens, give camera and internet permission, and sign into your Google account if needed. Then open the app and select Translate Mode. This tells the app to run OCR and detect languages. Once done, point the camera at the written text and hold steady. This provides a clear frame for character recognition. Doing this now speeds up recognition and reduces errors caused by motion blur or poor lighting. You now choose languages deliberately. Open the language menu and set both source and target languages to avoid automatic misdetection. Next, decide whether to use Live Overlay for instant reading or take a photo to let the app process more carefully. Photos let you crop and correct text. Once captured, tap Translated Segments to reveal word-by-word matches, copy translated text, or play audio. This step gives you control and improves translation quality. To finish, refine the output by cropping the photo or manually selecting lines that misread. This corrects OCR and yields cleaner translations. Once satisfied, save the translation locally, copy it to the clipboard, or share directly via messaging. You can also tap Listen to confirm pronunciation. If things go wrong, make sure language selection is correct, permissions are enabled, lighting is adequate, and the lens is steady. Restart the app or retake the photo to recover from transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.